Do you know Dr. Bob?
Yes, Dr. Bob is a director of Robert T. Wagner Foundation. He is an American whose father was a soldier during World War II and was imprisoned with former President Rojas in the Philippines, here in Casisang. We are so lucky and privileged as one of their beneficiaries.
What are the things he has given to your school?
Dr. Bob has given each of our teachers notebook, and the school was given computers, projectors, and smartphones. He has also given food and clothing to the less fortunate children here in Casisang. And recently, he has given $3,000 to our school.
How do you find those technologies?
I find it very important because I can gain more knowledge by using them wisely.
Does it help you learn more your lessons?
Yes, it does, because with the aid of these technologies, our teachers can give us more varied activities. We find it also interesting because it is manipulative, which makes learning more fun compared to the conventional daily learning activities.
Do you know WWW?
WWW is also known as the World Wide Web. It is where we access the internet for faster communications of people. Personally, I always won during the contest because I always studied and reviewed online.
What are the advantages of these technologies?
We can research our lessons in advance, we can learn our lessons fast, and we can make our projects easier and more presentable. Thank you to the Robert T. Wagner Foundation.